Hi friends again. In this tutorial I want to share with you how we were going to solder or LIDs connections that we already made in our tutorials before, and for our remove, control and our adapter. This is, as I told you, that it's our remote control. This is the controller and this is the main board. Okay, this area will be 12 voltage go. This one, the red one, is positive and the black one is negative. And there is 4 outside going and 1 sensor in here, and we will connect it together in this tutorial with our adapter again, and we will solder it together. Okay, so there's some 2 pieces here. For this tutorial we need some scissors and band, okay, and soldering machine and solder too. I'm just taking it out, all pieces. I don't know how pieces. You just see that, maybe you see, or maybe you don't see. I'm sorry for having some troubles, because during these days I'm working alone and I don't have any friends to record me, so I'm making everything by myself. First of all, but I think you understand. I'm just trying to help people for learning some new things. We will firing, okay? You can see that when it lights up. We are taking it, the solder, and putting it here. Lots of people, they don't offer using these methods because they say that it takes lots of times to do this, but for good and long soldering, I offer you to do this. Okay, our connection parts is ready. Also, this part we will make the same for our power adapter. We are taking our solder and put it here. Taking it and then putting wire. The dark one I want to connect with blue one. Okay, so just taking on my wooden place. Maybe you see me or not, I don't know. Also, I don't want to change my camera position. It will be hard to do it for me, but no problem. Is it okay? I think you see me now. And then now we are soldering pieces. I think you can do that, yeah? You already learned that. What do you think? You mustn't shake while you're soldering. Okay. It's okay, I'm just controlling. There is unwanted pieces here. I'm just cutting it. And whatever bond. Fixing the connection. Also, you can use clearance for the connections, but I like them very much because it's so useful for me. the next one, they are also connection. You also don't need to weld these pieces, but I offer you to use welding. You can instead of mix and bend again too. It's not easy to do. Yes, sir, no problem. Okay, friends. Be sure for your fingers always, if you are alone like me. Oh, I get burnt my hands. You also can use your scissors. Put that and then this one and then connection for what? For soldering. Yes. Okay. So ready. Now we are cutting the unwanted pieces. Putting it one way, checking for last time control. After that, connection. When we sure that it's all ready, then for last time, bending. I just take a small piece because there must can cause. Okay, it's all ready now. We can connect this one to our adapter. So here. So here, okay. The black one and the white one is all ready. See you next time. Thanks for watching. While we are controlling your adapter, LES, LED, and remote control. Thanks for watching. Bye, welcome movies. Bye bye.